My ability is to go in, meet the customer, make them feel at ease with the repair, give them a good, honest, straightforward estimate that they're comfortable with, let them make the ultimate determination if they want to repair it or not. Primarily with a dishwasher comes to performance. It's not cleaning as well as it should, it's just a determination of if you let it go, it traditionally will get worse. For washers and dryers, it's pretty much full service. Customer, I look for them to give me kind of a lead as to what I'm looking for. They're saying it doesn't clean correctly, it makes noise, it walks all over the room, it's got a burning smell. I repair gas stoves, electric stoves, built-in wall ovens, pretty much any major kitchen appliance. The reason to choose Davis Appliance Repair is primarily because of the experience. Being able to be familiar with the product lines, really a quality repair for quality price.